What's up, boys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we have another install for the GTI. It's like the first install in like I think 2.5 months or something like that. I think the last install was the wheels, but today we finally have another install. And yes, the last time we added carbon to the car was in May, and today we are adding finally more carbon to the car. Somebody once commented, and the carbon begins, which means once you add carbon once to your car, it usually never stops. Believe it or not, I've actually done pretty good. Haven't added a whole ton of carbon to this car yet, although a lot is coming. So we've been doing pretty good, but I couldn't resist on these. I got a really good deal, and today, without further ado, I'm gonna show you exactly what we're gonna be installing. And that is carbon fiber mirror covers on the Mark 7. And they're a little bit different than what you would usually see because, well, I have a black car. And when you have a black car, it's kind of hard to add carbon mirrors that look the exact same as the mirrors that you have now, just a little bit of carbon weave on them. So I said, let me do some more research. And well, on Adam's BMW 340, you see that he has the M Sport mirrors.
Oh, see that?
Oh, yeah?
That's what
I got those coming, don't you worry.
Fog in the eye.
So I said, you know what, let me do some research, see what I can find. And well, your boy found the exact same mirror, a replica of it. And it's not the perfect weave in the world. You get a good shot of that. It's not the perfect weave in the world, but let me tell you, it'll do. It looks really nice, and it's ultra aggressive compared to just a regular carbon fiber mirror cap. They just go right over it, and it's pretty cool. They give you a roll of 3M tape that we're gonna throw on here, although it fits over it without the 3M tape. I've had a lot of stuff fall off my car before, and I'm not taking that risk this time, so we're gonna slap just a couple pieces, probably one on the top, one on the bottom, and it should pretty much stay on there pretty well. I think I put it on this way, and I kind of pushed it over. I can, yeah, put it like this, and it kind of just sits like that. And I'm not gonna lie, it looks really cool because looking at it, it still kind of looks black. Nothing crazy, you just see a little bit of carbon on it, and it looks really nice, but it just didn't have, like, I want it to be noticeable. And the number one thing I knew it wasn't gonna be was noticeable, so finding this was extremely clutch, and it wasn't even at a bad price. It was only $100. So I said, screw it, we're gonna get it, and it looks mean. If I really wanted to, I could probably leave it, but since it has a little bit of give with high winds on the highway and traveling a lot in this car, just the daily driving and traveling, we're not gonna take that risk. If I just throw it here, like this, oh, sorry, temperamental. I didn't do much research on these. I thought they were complete like replacements. I'm kind of happy that they're not, because I don't want to have to take that entire mirror off and try to do the whole thing. So I'm kind of happy that it's just a cover. There's pretty much no right or wrong way to do this. You could honestly, if you buy these mirrors, you could do it without the 3M tape if you really wanted to. But you have a whole roll, you might as well just do it. That's why I'm doing it, because I want to be safe. So let's see how this thing goes on now. So I think I had it like this, right? Or did I have it this way?
You had it that way.
I had it this way?
Yeah.
Okay. No, I thought I had it this way.
I don't think it really matters.
I don't think it does either. Okay, so we're gonna push it in. That actually went on really well. I'm gonna hold it. I wanna make sure it sets in place. Let me try to move it. Bingo. Well, that was an easy install. Welcome to Real Speed's world's easiest install on this channel. I can't believe how seamless that fit on so perfectly too. I love that. There's no gaps, no seams. It's absolutely perfect fitment all the way around. And I will say it looks so smooth. The only thing that looks a little interesting is this little like squared gap right here. That looks interesting because it fades off into the fin. But other than that, it looks really cool. And I like it a lot, and I think it's exactly what this car needed. And we just needed to add a little bit of aggression to it because we don't have a crap ton of aggression to the car right now. So now, she's calling my name. I don't know. No. Well, I still have bugs. Is that a bug or a chip? I think that's a chip. Right there.
Chip.
Yep. It's all right, because we got the brand new mirror covers.
Studs. I said studs.
Studs instead of suds?
Yeah.
Pop that on. Make sure it's in. Looking good. Alright. Press it on. Make sure she's good. Give it a minute or so. Yeah, these pop out a lot. Like, they really poke. I like that. Boom! And now they're all done. Look at that. Damn, they look so good. really different from what I imagined having on this car, but they look really, really good. Get a good view from here. Oh yeah. That's aggressive. Yeah, I was gonna say, but put the windows down.
Yeah, it's hot.
It's hot in here. Damn, the steering wheel looks really clean though. I cleaned it yesterday. It gets really greasy. Can't forget the e-brake. Don't let off.
Forgot that I put it in drive.
Jesus.
That was totally my fault.
Yeah, too funny.
I thought it was still in park.
Let's see him driving away. Oh damn! Those look good. Oh, and the sticker and that looks clean. I don't know if you're gonna catch that on camera, but the sticker looks so sick. Woo! Come on, pop a little bit. Pop. Give it a little pop. Hey, we got a little pop. Oh, it should be tuned soon. We'll get many more pops than what we have now, let me tell you. That looks good. She looks, damn. She's coming together, boys. My baby's turned into a woman. She looking so good. She looking so good. Damn, that looks really good. Damn, look at her popping. She's popping. Wow, that looks so smooth. Damn, for $100, I'm just finding the best mods recently. I'm telling you, I am finding the best mods. You guys better be going out there and getting these products because they are fire. If you have a GTI or a Golf R, they are fire. They're cheap. They're not too expensive. Just showing you don't need crazy expensive parts to make your car look amazing. This is just, it's just stunning. And you really can't go wrong. Look at that. Looks good. She's popping, huh? Sounds good. I haven't really heard it pop outside of the car. I'm always driving it when I hear it. That was the first time I really heard it because I literally, as you went down, I said, come on, pop a little bit. And as you brake to go into the driveway, it popped. I was like, hey, a little bit of burbles. So what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna wash the car, I don't think. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash the rear windshield and I'm gonna throw a special sticker on the car. Okay, so let me grab the sponge and do that. Actually, I probably don't even need the sponge. The towel's wet.
Yeah.
Just towel. So what I'm gonna have to do first, I have to clean this surface, but I have a special sticker that is gonna be so perfect to add on to this video. And I've been waiting till the video to put it on. I got it in like early last week and I've been wanting to put it on so bad. So I'm very excited to throw it on the car now, finally. And since it's a hatchback, it's actually kind of hard. Like, I don't know what spot, it's not a flat windshield like I had in the Passat, because as you guys know, the Passat I had a flat windshield, so it's so easy to put stickers in certain spots, but this is kind of like narrowed. So it's a little bit interesting. You can't just slap a sticker in a corner. You have to be kind of like precise with it, otherwise.
Especially with this here, because this is all black.
Yeah.
It looks weird if you put it right here.
It looks
in
kind
the
of
middle
funky.
of
Yeah, it's
the
funky.
windshield.
It's kind of funky looking, right? So we got the Denny. Look how beautiful that is. Now we got to find the perfect placement that we want to put it.
I say right there.
Right there? That good? All right, I'm gonna pull it off. I said I was never gonna put stickers on my car. Here I am. Is it good?
Yeah.
I was gonna clean the car today, but I don't really feel like it. So we're gonna, oh Jesus.
You want me to do it?
No, I got it. I think I got it. I got it. I'm nervous. Okay. Yep. Okay. Wow, that is one sticky sticker.
Yeah.
Holy cow.
Well,
Okay.
they're waterproof.
Right, we're gonna go right here.
You just.
I got it. All right. It's all about. I am a pro sticker applier. Okay.
Okay. Pro sticker pilot.
Applicator.
Yeah.
Pro sticker
don't get
applicator.
Bubbles in their stickers.
Pro sticker applicator.
Use a credit card. Fine.
No, it's fine. I don't know why. It's, wow. You want to give that a go? I'm going to keep screwing out that bottom part. Top part's not even sticking all the way. I did a pretty decent job on the top part though.
Mm-hmm.
There's no bubbles on that anymore, but I can't get the bottom now. That, see? decent.
There you go.
Yeah, there you go. That looks good. There's like a tiny little bubble in the wipe.
Yeah.
You can't really see it. Damn, look at that. Denny Hamlin finally applied to the car. I've always wanted to add the sticker, just never have, because on the Passat I had so many other stickers. Didn't want to add another one, so I just kind of like let it be. And then when I got this car, I said no more stickers. Yeah, that looks fire. So now we're officially a race car. We got the M Sport racing mirrors, and we got Denny Hamlin, which, you know, every sticker you apply to a car is always 10 plus horsepower. You already know that. Plus the mirrors, another 5. We're adding 15 horsepower to the car today. Boom. GTI makes more power. Yet again, look how beautiful that is. I'm so happy that we actually added the perfect sticker to this car. But I'm thinking about doing some real speed livery with that kind of like colorway. So I'm thinking about doing like a NASCAR Denny Hamlin type Toyota racing, anything like that with the real speed. So I'm kind of thinking like which way I want to go. I'm thinking about doing like a livery like this with like my own number with real speed on it, and then doing like a, you know, a FedEx kind of purple and orange. Plus these are my 2 favorite colors. So I'm thinking about doing that at some point soon. I don't know yet, but I'm hoping it looks really good once I come up with the plans, and we're gonna draw it up. But damn, just take a look at these mirrors. They look so clean. I'm so happy that I finally got to put them on. They came in early in the week as along with the sticker, and I just never had a chance to vlog throughout the week, so I was waiting for the perfect day to install these, and they just look so clean. We did some festivities with her family last night, and we decided to carve pumpkins. And hers first is a dinosaur, and it looks so cool. And then mine, because it's my favorite fruit ever, is basically a hollow pineapple. So I wasn't supposed to cut the whole thing out. I was supposed to like cut in between, and I ended up just cutting the whole thing out because I didn't like it, the in between pieces there. So I cut the whole thing out, and it actually looks pretty decent. You can tell what it is. They look so cute.
I love them.
We did a good job. I like them too.
I'm so surprised how good mine actually came out.
I know. So we found these on Pinterest, actually. Mine looked a little different on Pinterest than hers did. Hers looked, that's a perfect replica. Mine, I just did the full hollow cutout, but the hollow actually looks cool when it's lit up with the candle at night.
Yeah, you
So
can
it
actually
looks
tell what the outline is.
Yeah, it looks really cool with the candle, and I think
Everyone else that we did it with last night, they knew exactly what it was when we looked at it, so that's a plus.
yeah, as I was making it, somebody said, "Is that a pineapple?" And I said, "Yeah." I haven't carved pumpkins since I was like 10 years old, so that was like the first time in forever that I've done it. Special thanks to my girlfriend for helping me out in being the cameraman today. I needed another set of hands, so thanks, honey, for being a part of today's video. That's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Obviously, more parts coming soon. Whole bunch of different things I have on the agenda, but first stop is we gotta go to Florida, then we come back, we'll figure it all out from there. But if you guys haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button, make sure to hit the bell so you get notifications whenever Real Speed posts videos. And as always, guys, we will see you in the next one. Peace out.